Today on the panel saw, we're cutting a short piece. Moving this track up lets us cut shorter pieces. Putting it down will make the fence taller, so we can cut really tall panels, backs, or sides. We'll leave it up for now. Twist the gauge outwards to loosen it. Then slide it until the black marker is touching your desired measurement. We're looking for 20 inches right now. This is an example of me pulling out the measurement, tightening the fence, then setting the board firmly up against where the blade will be. Turn on with the green button, slide the saw down till it matches the top of the piece, push in the saw and slide it down. Once you're done, pull the saw back out to slide it all the way to the top and turn it off using the red button. Here's another example of me doing a full setup on the panel saw by measuring, cutting a trim edge off, and cutting the full piece.